Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about e to the power of ln equals to capital A. So the capital A represent about this one. So we need to transform capital A into e to the power of ln. So we have the second formula in here. ln to the power of b equals to b ln. So a in here, that's about s. B, that's about this one. So I will put this one go outside about natural law in here. They will be like this. Now I will put this limit go in here. Now we just concentrate about this one only. When s go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. So that means we have infinity over infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator. And denominator. First derivative of ln(x), you got about 1 over s with ln number 2. First derivative of ln(x), you got about 1 over s. This is about the constant, so you have number 0. So we just have 1 over s. We need to simplify 1 over s on numerator and denominator. So we just have only ln number 2. That means the value of this one, that's about e to the power of ln number 2. If we simplify and you got about number 2, that means the value of this one equals to number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.